Hi, it's another Bob Stop, and today we're visiting the chiropractor. We're at True North Chiropractic Center. Dr. Weiss, thanks for having us out.
Thank you for coming.
I think it's fair to say that most of us don't have any idea what goes on in a chiropractic office.
Well, yes and no. I mean, you understand that we do deal with a lot of adjusting bones, but underneath a chiropractic, there's just so much more involved. But basically, what we're really trying to focus on is the nervous system, which is the system that runs the entire body. So we look at it that is, if there's a bone or there's tissue pressure on this nervous system, you're not functioning at 100% because all the signals that come from the brain going out to the body part, some of those signals are getting kind of cut off, as you would say.
And we find out that sometimes what we think is wrong with us isn't what's wrong with us. It's an underlying or a different problem that really is leading to what we're here for.
90% of the time, that's true. Yeah, we get a lot of pain, like back pain, can be some different nerves pinched off. We even deal with bedwetting, things like that, to that nature. A lot of things that you might be feeling are not directly due to the cause of what you think they are, but something underlying that has to do with the nervous system or the nerves that go everywhere.
And then, of course, there are things like sports injuries or work injuries and things like that.
We do a lot of sports injuries, work injuries. Of course, you can't get hit in football without having something happen to you. I know that per firsthand.
All right. Well, then let's take a look around the center, okay?
No problem. Let's do it.
All right, this large open area when you come in the front door, what do you got here?
This is our corrective care therapy area. So before most people get adjusted, we also give them exercises to do to help strengthen them and loosen them up so that the adjustments are easier, less abrupt. It's a lot easier on the patient. And then after they get adjusted, they also come here and do some different forms of therapy to kind of solidify the adjustment, to make sure that what we did sticks and it doesn't all go right back out of place. And also to help people move better. It actually will increase their range of motion, their movement, make them more comfortable, both before and after the adjustment.
And supervised so you know they're doing it correctly.
It's all got to be supervised. We supervise here. We do have staff that supervise as well as myself. And we have numerous different things. So it's not just one corrective care exercise. We've got multiple corrective care exercises to do.
Well, this is an interesting room. First thing I notice, you've got a TV on the ceiling. What's this area?
This is our roller table or intersegmental traction table. This is where everybody finishes their visit. The reason we do this is because not only does it really help the patient relax by massaging muscles and getting this spine and this bone to move correctly, but it's just a nice place for somebody to come and chill for about 5 minutes. So basically what happens, you'll get adjusted, you'll go through your rehab, then you'll come here and get a nice little vacation where you can watch some nature, whatever else we have on the ceiling. So a lot of people love this thing, and most people say it's their favorite thing, which is okay with.
One of the services offered here at True North Chiropractic is massage. Ken Shockley is the massage therapist. Is that the correct term?
Yep, massage therapist.
All right. Well, basically, then this can be part of another program or stand by itself as somebody who's just looking for a massage.
Correct. Yep.
What kind of massage do we offer?
So typically I do like a deep tissue, something to correct the muscle memory of the patient, to relieve pain, things like that. So
15, 20, 30 minute, hour long?
Usually they're a half hour to an hour.
And is the patients generally, I'm guessing, or your customers, clients, actually, it's quite a difference from when they come in to when they leave, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Also, I understand this is also where Dr. Weiss would do acupuncture.
Yep, he does acupuncture in this room as well.
Just one of the many services offered here at True North Chiropractic Center. I believe we're in the exam room, right, here at the Chiropractic Center?
That's what I like to tell the patients, where the real magic happens. So this is where we do the adjusting. So of course, like I said, after we get the workup with the exam, the x-rays, this is where most of the adjusting takes place. We have many different techniques. We're not just bound to one. So a lot of times you'll see me using different techniques on different people. It's all to get the same goal, just get the patients to feel better. But yeah, the table does quite a few things. It drops, it lifts away. It's good for pregnant women, you name it. Anybody can lay on this table and be comfortable.
You've got other services, you've got supplements here.
We do a lot of nutritional supplementation. Our biggest thing right now is we just got a new weight loss program in here that's really seems to be doing the trick. But yeah, we do a lot with nutrition, and as far as like, this winter everybody needs vitamin D because we're deficient up north here. We don't get a lot of sun in the winter, so we just try and help out with that as well.
I asked you a little bit earlier, obviously once in a while there's something that isn't what yours should be dealing with, and I know you refer people. If it isn't your deal, you get them to a medical professional who can handle it.
Yes, it goes both ways. So if I get a patient that comes in and I know this isn't the place for them to be, we have a good referral system with one of the clinics in the area. Also, we can refer out for MRIs or all your advanced testing too, and that's the main thing we do. We just really want to make sure we know what's going on before we even lay our hands on you. So what's different about this clinic is most times you will come in this clinic the first day, get your exam and x-rays, and I won't touch you. I have to look over your case, make sure you're right to be here, look over the x-rays, and then if I feel you're in the right place and I can do you some good, we get you back in, we go over all your findings together. It takes 30-40 minutes, it's a pretty big sit-down thing, and then, we get started. So it's not just like your typical lay on the table, start pushing on places, and you're done. We don't do that.
A lot more to it than that, isn't it?
There's a lot more to it than that. It takes some time to build up a case for each person. So each one's different and individual.
If somebody wants to contact you or contact the center here, make an appointment or find out more, what are the best ways to do that?
Well, you can contact us on the phone, and that's 218-689-5001. You can contact through our website, through Facebook, texting. We have it all. So
you're located in what we call the Brooks and One Mall.
Yep, 205 Brooks Avenue North.
Thanks for having us out and introducing us to the clinic.
No, thank you for being here. It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure to find out what True North Chiropractic Center is all about. We hope you enjoyed it too, and thanks for watching this Bob Stop.